Within hours, the state of Tennessee will have one of the most restrictive abortion bans in the country. It follows the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade earlier this year.
Tomorrow, the Tennessee trigger law goes into effect, banning the procedure and criminalizing doctors who perform them. 10 News reporter Krissa Lucas breaks down what this means for Tennesseans. Krissa?
Yes, Robin and John. The CEO of Planned Parenthood said that this law is leaving them in a crisis, and limited access to abortions will put many women at risk. The criminal attorney that I spoke to explained Tennessee's law.
The U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in June. This cleared the way for a few states to enact a trigger law. Abortion care providers say this will put people at risk.
Banning abortion doesn't stop people from needing abortion. It only puts more people's lives in danger.
Tennessee has been without most abortion services since the end of June, when the state's 6-week ban took effect. Planned Parenthood was forced to stop abortion services completely on June 27 and said this is causing a public health crisis. The trigger law bans all abortions with no exceptions for rape or incest, even in the case of child abuse. Many Tennessee lawmakers have been pushing for a ban on abortions for years.
Well, what the law really does, it serves as a placeholder to have some sort of law in effect until we go back into session in January of 2023. And then the legislature, of course, at that time will decide, do we want to modify the law, which I think we will. There will be efforts to modify the law and how we want to modify the law.
It also criminalizes doctors who perform the procedure.
Every time they choose to treat their patients, they accept the fact that they are committing a felony.
With the trigger law, a physician can go to trial with jury and will have to prove that the abortion was medically necessary. Senator Briggs told me in January he's planning to meet with other lawmakers to talk about possible exceptions for ectopic pregnancies, rape, or incest. John, Robin?
Krissa, thank you very much.